Learn Shapes is an excellent app for our students to use because it correlates with the geometry standard 1G2. Compose two-dimensional shapes, rectangles, squares, trapezoids, triangles, half circles, and quarter circles. So students have been learning more about 2D shapes in our geometry lessons, and we are wanting them to make sure they understand the concept that one shape can be composed of several shapes. Look at this shape down here at the bottom. It is on the far right hand side. We have a hexagon here that has one rhombus and four triangles. So we have one shape. On the other hand, we have five shapes in that hexagon. The same thing for this hexagon. We have three shapes in one shape. And in this hexagon, we have four shapes in one shape. So students are able to understand that they can make several shapes into one shape. And also, this is another screenshot of a student being able to put different shapes to make a creature. I believe this is a sea turtle. So anyway, though, this is an awesome app for students to be able to experiment with shapes and later on be able to use fractions also as well in this. So it is good for first grade as well as for upper grades.